Sheepies, welcome back to day 2 of the... Day 2? That's 4, honey. Welcome back to day 2 of the 30-day SFX challenge. Today is bruising. I have done a bruising and blood nose video on my channel before, so I'm not going to do a black eye today. If you're wanting a black eye for your Halloween makeup, check out my basic SFX bruise and blood nose. I am going to be doing a blood nose today, but the character that I'm going for today is kind of a party girl's night gone wrong. So we're gonna have a blood nose, probably gonna have a bruise on the side of her cheek or on her head, might have a gash somewhere or something. So yeah, here we go. Hey Sheepies, welcome to day 2. So first off, I am blocking out my eyes basically with black eyeshadow. This is on top of the makeup I already had on today. I'm just packing it on. Then I'm blending it out very messily just to give the appearance of mess. Next I'm going in with a fluffy stipple brush and some red cream colour, and I'm starting to outline where I'm wanting my bruise on my cheek to be, and giving a general guide to help myself. Then I'm going in and darkening it with the same brush and a plum cream colour just underneath my cheekbone where the biggest bruising would be. Next I'm going in with yellow on a flat packing brush and filling in the empty space in the middle to give it an almost swelling type of look. Next I'm going in with a small round brush and I'm deepening the colour even further, stippling it in the most darkest places with the darkest plum. Then going in with my fine stipple sponge using some navy blues and some plum, and I'm stippling it all over the place and blending it out with my finger. Bruises are pretty much all about layering, but also keeping it as stippled as possible. Using the same brush that we used for our cheek bruise, I'm going in with the red and creating a blended blurred effect and irritation. I will next be going in with some plums on a stipple sponge to even deeper the effect of the wound. Next we're doing our mascara tiers. Here I'm just using black water activated paint, very watered down, and letting it drip down my cheek naturally as possible. Then I grab a tissue and stipple it out to give that faded kind of mascara look to it. Repeated this on the other eye and dabbed it out as messily as the first eye. Next I'm using whatever's left over on the brush and stippling it onto my eye to deepen the black, and then smudge it out with my finger absolutely basically everywhere. Of course, no party girl is complete without a beautiful red lipstick. Here I'm applying it and then I'm smudging the hell out of it pretty much. Next I'm putting the blood into my nose. I use the blood to simply push it in there first, and then I go in using the bottle to directly squeeze it into my nose. Not into, but pretty much on the edge of my nose, and let it drip. Then also tap out the drip using the tissue as well to give it a more messy effect. Then going in with my thick blood and a very coarse stipple sponge to start stippling all the blood into my hair and onto my head wound. Don't be afraid to actually stipple this into your hair, as it does come out and does wash out really easily and gives a really awesome cakey bloody effect. Now I wasn't happy with the amount of blood that I was getting off just the sponge alone, so I just decided to drip it in and mess it around with my fingers instead. So yeah, you can kind of see it a lot better now. So is that. It's my head wound. Look pretty messed up. Yeah, they already saw me a little bit. What do y'all think again? Woo! I'm a party girl going wrong. Some shit's happened. Thoughts?
Messy.
Messy. Good messy?
Messy. That's fun that doesn't matter every day.
That's okay, I'm going for a share anyway.
Heavy hair? Wait. Oh, I want you to see that bit. Oh, man.
What do you think, Dad? Just cool. Okay, that's cool.
Where's this bruising?
My cheek. Yeah. And this was a bruise, and then I decided to make it a head trauma.
Ouch.
Yeah. Cool. Great opinions.
Good chat.
Good chat. Great chat. Loved it. Very invigorating. Great family. This looks really creepy in the dark. Alrighty. So that was their opinions of me. Real great. Now to get these all on. So there you have it, guys. This is my completed bruising. This is day 2 of the 30-day SFX challenge. Here I did a bruised cheek. I did a pretty bruised blood nose, and I did some, don't know if you can see it, hold on. I did some head trauma. I did a bruise and then I decided to add some blood. She's been conked in the head. It does blend into my red hair, so oh, I just sniffed blood. Like legit. Oh. So yeah, this is my completed day 2 look. I think my mum just got home. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is a party girl gone wrong. Obviously we did some smudged lipstick, some very smudged black smoky eyes with some tears. So yeah. This is why you should not go out partying and do bad things, because you might end up like this. This was day 2. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all very, very, very much for watching. And I love you all very much. I hope you guys are looking forward to the rest of the series as much as I am. I'm really excited for some of the days and what I'm going to be doing. So yeah. I love you all very, very, very much. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Alright. I think I'm tapping out. I don't know if I can do anymore. Like, giving you a blood nose, bruised cheek, head trauma with a bruise. Christ, this poor girl. What the fuck is happening to her? These birds.